Hello guys, welcome back. In the previous video, we saw about the introduction to Python. Now, in this video, I'll be telling you how to download and install Python for the Windows 10 operating system. We generally write a computer program using an high-level language. High-level language is the one that is understandable by the humans, and this is also called as the source code. However, a computer does not understand an high-level language. It only understands the program written in zeros and ones. So those are called as binaries, and it is also called as the machine code. So to convert a source code into a machine code, we either use a compiler or an interpreter. The programming languages like Python, Ruby use interpreters, and some of the programming languages like C, C++, Java use compilers. So now let's get started. Open your browser, type in Python. So here it shows python.org. Type the python.org. You will be navigated to the Python's website. So now you're going to download Python for your Windows 10 operating system. So now you'll be having different kinds of downloads for different OS. So now you are going to download Python for Windows. Now click on the Windows. So when clicking on Windows, it will be showing you the recent releases. The recent releases was Python 3.8.3. So click on that. So this is released in the date May 13, 2020, which is the latest release. So now come down. So here in the files section, you'll be having the versions and you'll be having the operating system for which you are going to download. So now we are going to download Python for Windows. So now we are going to download Windows executable installer. So now click on that. It gets started to download. I'm going to open the downloaded file. So first I'm going to click on this and I'm going to minimize my browser, so which will navigate me to the installation window. So here you'll be having two options. One is, by default it will download and install the Python in this particular path, or what I'm going to do is that I'm going to customize my own installation, and I'll be choosing my customized installation where I can install my Python based upon my choice. So before choosing this option, I would like to uh, click on this checkbox, which will by default add Python 3.8 to my path. So now let's click on the customize installation. So here some of the optional features, and I'm not going to touch any of this because I would be needing this every options. So now just click on next. So here it will be showing you some customizable installation location. So now you're going to select in which path you're going to download, you're going to install. So now uh, I'll be choosing the C drive, so where I can just install my Python. So I'm choosing the Python folder which I have created. So now I'm going to click on the install button. This, we can see this window where the setup was successful. So the Python was successfully installed in our machine. So now now I'm going to click on the Windows icon, and under the recently added section I can find Python 3.8 module docs, Python IDLE, and if I further expand it, I can see that Python 3.8 manuals and Python 3.8 command line prompt. Here it is. Now I'm going to check whether it's working or not by just typing in hello world. So here you can see that it is giving me the output hello world. So it's working absolutely fine. So now let's check the IDLE. Go to this recent section and click on the IDLE. So here it provides it is used in two ways. You can use it as an interactive shell, and you can also create a new file where you can write Python code or a Python script where you can automate the tasks. So now we can see this, we can further learn about this in the further tutorials. Now I'm going to check whether it is working or not by giving some operation to it. So 5 plus 10, which will give me 15. So yes, it's absolutely working fine. So these are the two ways where you can work with Python. So now the third way is by using the command Windows command prompt. So you can open the Windows command prompt by clicking on window R, which will give me the run command, and you can find the and you can type cmd, which will open the command prompt for the Windows. So now you can check whether the Python is installed successfully by typing in the command Python. Yes, absolutely. The Python has successfully installed. So now you can see that the version which you are currently using, which is Python 3.8. And now here also we can type Python hello world. So let's check print. Yes, you can see the output hello world. So if you want to come out of this Python command shell, you can just enter quit function. So now you came out of the Python shell. So further, the other important thing is that pip. There is a command called pip, which is the Python's package manager. So now, if you want to check what version of pip is installed in your package, so you have to type in pip hyphen version. The pip is automatically installed in the Python, so you need not have to install manually. So that's it, guys. We have successfully installed Python. So we will be learning the technical stuff. We'll be starting to coding in the next sections, next videos. So if you have any doubt or if you face any difficulties in installing Python in your machine, please do comment in the comment section. That's it, guys. We will meet in the next video, and please don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thank you.